Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Well, we're just doing a get ready with me. It's not gonna really be a no tutorial. I just want to get ready with you guys. I have a couple of errands to do today, so I just wanted to show you a little bit of my summertime look that I be going for. This is gonna be a little different because I'm gonna show you a different tinted moisturizer, super affordable. I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Mint Melt Cooling Face Primer. It's like a jelly base. Ooh. And it has like a tacky feeling too. I love that. It feels super sticky, but I like when it feels sticky like that because then I feel like it's working and it will stick to your foundation or your tinted moisturizer or whatever you use for your face. So like I can feel it cooling. The cooling sensation on my face, I can feel it. The product that I'm going to be using for this tinted moisturizer on my face is going to be the L'Oreal Paris, and this is Skin Paradise. I got this medium 3. I'm going to be using this I heard great thing, and this has 24-hour hydration, awaken fresh glow with luminous coverage. So let's try this baby out. I got it in medium 3. So this is supposed to be a nice tinted moisturizer, not too heavy, not too cakey on your face, and actually it's dark, so it will match my summer tan. Put that all over my face, and I'm not gonna put too much because I just want a natural glow. So I'm going to use my Morphe E63 brush, and I'm just going to dab that down my face. This is water infused tinted moisturizer, and it feels amazing on your skin. So yeah guys, I'm like into this type of look in the summer because I'm always on the go, and when it's hot I don't feel like putting so much makeup on my face, unless, don't get me wrong, if I'm like going out on a date or if we're going out like a party or something, then I can be all dolled up. But I don't have to. I can just put a little bit on my face and just go out to the street. But this color matched perfectly with my skin tone. Like, so if you guys are looking for affordable moisturizer, tint moisturizer, this from L'Oreal Paris is actually a really good alternative for the more expensive one. You can find this one in like Target, Walmart, CVS, your drugstore. Let me actually I'm going to be using my Filler Instinct, and this is from NYX. I'm loving this. I'm going to put this on my lip just to give it a little bit of plump. I usually put this earlier, but since I'm talking, alright, we'll let that sit there and let it work. So I'm just going to be using my e.l.f. 16 Camo Concealer. I love this, and I'm just going to put just a little bit because we're just doing a summer natural just look. You know what I mean? We're just gonna look a little bit glowy, put together, your skin but better. And for all you girls out there that don't like wearing that much makeup, this is what you can do, and you can look amazing. But anyways guys, so since I'm doing this right now, let me tell you, I've been like learning how to put fake lashes, and it's not like the strip lashes, it's like the individual lashes. I'm going to show you. It's this right here. It's like little individual lashes, little lashes, you know what I mean? I don't know if you guys can see that. And I've been like trying to practice them and like, you know, use tweezers and just place them individual. And this was my first time doing it, and I'm like impressed by it. I think that I'm going to start doing it more and like practicing more. And I was going to do a video on these lashes, like try to do them on camera, but I was like, you know what, I'm not a professional, I'm not a pro. I want to practice before I show you guys. But if you guys want to see a video of me like doing them again so you guys can see, comment down below and let me know, because I will do these again. Well, I'm going to be doing this again, and they last usually for a week or 2 weeks, so I'll let you know how long it lasts. You see how natural it looks? Like, it looks like I don't really have nothing on my face, and that's what I'm trying to go for. So I'm just going to put my Fenty Beauty setting powder, and this is butter. I'm going to add a little bit of that just so I won't have no creases underneath the eyes. Just use this little sponge here, and I just put a little bit underneath the eyes. And I like to put it on my smile lines because I crease down there. I tend to talk a lot, so I crease. But guys, this is super easy. So I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. Now I'm just going to contour, and this time I don't put too much contour blush because, like I said, I'm trying to keep it super natural and look like I don't have no makeup. So I use the Fenty Beauty, and this is Beijing right here. This is what I use, and I just use a tab. I'm going to show you how I use this. Just a little bit, just to give me a little bit of color. Watch this, see? Just to give me a little bit of that color back. I don't put too much, and that's it. A little bit goes a long way with this. Bada boom, bada bam. I'm gonna wipe this down. That's it. And now I'm gonna use a blush. I'm gonna be using, I bought a whole bunch of these type of blushes. Look how cute. I got this one from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Putty Blush. And this is like a pinkish color. And I also got this one. This is like a orangey color. I'm going to be using this one. But I'm also liking this for the summer because it just gives you a natural finish on your face. And it's not powdery. So I just use a little bit on my hand, on my fingers. And I'll just put it a little bit right here just to give me a little bit of blush. And this is super affordable, the e.l.f. Putty Blush. I'm going to be using this little highlight, and I'm going to just place it. This is what it gives the summer glow, and like you cannot miss this step. So I like to put it on my nose, on my lip, right here. Some spray. I'm going to be using Milani Make It Last setting spray. And just spray my face. Ooh, that was just wet. Oh my god, I just like sprayed my whole face. Now we're gonna put a little bit of some gloss. Should we put a little bit of gloss just to make this look a little more put together and presentable? Let's do it. Let me wipe this down. I'm going to be using this. It's the Color Pop Lippy Stick. It's like an orangey color. Perfect for the summer. But yeah, guys, usually if I didn't have the lashes on, I would just put mascara on and just fluff it up and put a little bit on the bottom. Which, let me put some on the bottom. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is what I usually do. Super easy summer look. I don't put no eyeshadow on my eyes because I just like to let my eyes breathe. But because I did my little fake lashes individual, super obsessed with this. I'm going to make a video on this because I feel like all you girls out there that don't want to spend so much money on fake lashes, spending like hundreds and hundreds of dollars to get them done, might as well learn how to do them yourself, and you guys will look great, and every time it comes out you can do it again and again and again. But anyways guys, I'm loving this water fused tinted moisturizer from L'Oreal Paris. This is super affordable. This I believe was like $9, but this little tube right here is amazing. Like, it made my face look really beautiful. It looked like I have full coverage, which I don't. So if you guys like Get Ready With Me and me talking to you about products and just stuff like that, then please like, comment, and subscribe guys. And until my next video, I'll see you later. Mucho kisses, mucho besitos. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye. I gotta head out soon. I'm a little late. It's 12:11. Bye bye.